I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than the.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm going to be reviewing 3 different wigs actually. Today's video is going to be on everyday / work wigs, and when I think of everyday or work wigs, I think of wigs that are easy to style, no stress, no drama, if possible no gluing down, just pop on your head and be right out the door. The wigs that I'm going to be showing you guys today were sent to me from Shake and Go. Thank you so much to Shake and Go for sending these babies to me. So this was included in the package and I'm pretty excited for this one because I really want to try this out. Can you guys see that? This is the Freetress Anti-Slip Velvet Wig Band with HD lace. This is supposed to help you to secure your wig and you don't have to use glue or tapes or clips or anything. This claims to be made of soft velvet material that is comfortable to wear all day. Adjustable band for all head sizes. Wide transparent HD lace part for a seamless and undetectable finish. Anti-slip silicone patches throughout the band for maximum hold throughout the day. I will also have instructions about how to use it on the back as well, and I'm pretty excited to try this out, you guys, because this is going to come in very handy on times when we don't have time to lay down our hair. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So this is what it looks like straight out of the pack. It has the silicone patches inside. We have the Shake and Go label and we have these detachable straps as well. So we're going to get into the wigs and then come back to try this out. This is the first unit that I have to show you guys today is the Freetress Equal HD lace front wig in the style Talisa, and I have her in the color 1B, and this is what she looks like. This is what she looks like straight out of the pack. It's just a short bob wig and it comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and it also has a lace parting area that looks pretty nice as well. So now we're going to try this out, and the part that has the silicone is the part that's supposed to be inside. So let's see.
So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so
first things first, the velvet wig band is a must-have. Like, this feels extremely firm on my head. It literally feels like I laid this unit down, and I'm pretty sure that's because of the wig band that I have underneath. So before we even get far into this video, first things first, go add that band into your cart right now. Like, it's a must-have. This feels extremely firm on my head. I literally feel like I glued this unit down. That's how amazing the wig band is. So that's definitely a must-have. And can we now get into this gorgeous bob? Can we get into this gorgeous bob? You guys, this is hands down the best bob unit that I own. Hands down the best bob units. Like, I'm in love with this unit, you guys. I'm in love. I've been looking for a bob like this for the longest. This laid down extremely flat. This is so beautiful. This was so easy to style. All I did was just added my powder and my foundation to the hairline, and that's pretty much it. If you need an everyday bob unit that you just want to, put on your head and be right out your house, this right here is your guy. What? Before we go too far into the video, I'm just going to go ahead and say that it's a look, baby. This unit is definitely approved by me. I love it, and there's nothing else to say besides that she's gorgeous. I didn't experience tangling, I didn't experience shedding. The cut is so beautiful. Everything about this wig gorgeous. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this one. So we're going to move on to the next one. And the next one I have to show you guys is also from Freetress Equal. It is from the same series as this one that I have on, the Level Up series. And I have this one in the style Monica, and I have her in the color 1B. So this is what the stock card of this one looks like. And it claims to have an undetectable HD lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-plucked to perfection, no additional plucking required, durable HD lace that blends in perfectly, ready to wear, comes in other colors as well, comes in 1B, 2, FF cream, FF golden brown, and FF hot choco. And this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. This unit comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps. We're just going to go ahead and style this one, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright, you guys, so this is what this one looks like, and this one too is not a bad look at all. This is another pop on your head and be right out the door kind of vibe. And yeah, you guys, there's not much to say about this one. The wig still laid down very nice as well. For styling, I did the exact same thing I did to the first one, and the wig band, I just shifted the part that has the net, because that's what you want to do. The part that has the net, you want to shift it to the part that has the parting on your wig. Does that make any sense? The part that has the parting but you guys get the gist, right? Anyways, you guys, this is what we have, and this one is also not a bad look at all. This is also a very nice unit that I totally would wear when I have to be out of the house real quick and I don't have time, to lay down any other wig. I just want something nice and yeah, easy to style that I can wear. This is definitely going to be one of my go-tos. And this is a left part wig, in case you're wondering. The bob was a right part wig, but this one is a left part wig, and I didn't experience no shedding or no tangling with this one. Even though I ran my fingers through the curls a bit to kind of loosen the curls, I didn't experience no shedding or tangling with this one. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to the last one, still on the same Level Up series, and this one is in the style Kamala, and I have her in the color 1B. So this is what the stock card of this one looks like, pretty much the same as the other ones, and yeah, it comes in other colors as well, same other colors that the other ones come in, 1B, 2 FF cream, FF golden brown, FF hot choco. So we're just going to go ahead, and this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. unit comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, adjustable straps as well. So we're just going to go ahead and style, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have with this one, and I must say that I really like this one as well. This one too is such a cute unit. You guys, all the wigs I tried today totally impressed me. I really like this one, and I didn't really experience shedding. I think just a few strands came off, but nothing too crazy with this one. Also was easy to style, same thing I did to the remaining 2. And yeah, you guys, this one also came with baby hairs, but we didn't use the baby hairs. And you guys, this is what we have. All the units I tried today had me so pumped because everything came out looking so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know which one was your favorite. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.